Oh, welcome back to the shop. Today we're playing around with the VEVOR A7 5-watt laser. We've got it assembled yesterday, ran a couple of test passes, make sure everything was connected right and adjusted right. Today we're burning some slate coasters, or engraving some slate coasters, I should say, proper term. We've got it connected to LightBurn. Got a coaster running now. It says it take about 11 minutes to do. So stay tuned. We'll see how it works. So far it seems to be very good build quality, very responsive, quiet machine. As you can tell, you can hardly hear it running. Drag chains for cable management. Emergency stop, reset. A USB connection, power cord. It is a 410 by 4 or 400 by 410 working area. It's available on their website. There will be a link in the description below to their website, so you guys can purchase one if you want. Beautiful entry-level beginner, something to learn on, and they come in quite handy. I'm going to use this one here probably for engraving my stainless steel flasks and coasters. So in quick recap, the VEVOR 5-watt laser, very well done machine, very sturdy, very quiet, burns real nice, does a real nice job on slate. Can't go wrong with it. If you want to get into laser engraving, it's an excellent entry-level engraver. It does a really good job. It's cost effective. It's under 200 bucks. Link below to their website to purchase it. Give it a try. You can't go wrong.